Welcome back, freelance trailblazers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of technical writing. And trust me, this is going to revolutionize the way you approach your craft. Let's kick things off with a simple question. What exactly is technical writing? At its core, it's the art of breaking down complex information into clear, concise, and user-friendly content. We're talking about the unsung heroes who make sure you can actually understand your new gadget's manual or navigate a software application without pulling your hair out. Now, where does technical writing pop up? Everywhere, from user manuals and API documentation to scientific papers and business reports. If there's complex info that needs simplifying, that's where we technical writers shine. But here's the kicker: the game is changing, and AI is leading the charge. Let's talk tools that are going to supercharge your technical writing skills. First up, ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse can help you draft initial contents, generate ideas, and even explain complex concepts in simpler terms. But remember, it's a tool, not a replacement for your expertise. Next, we've got GPT-4. This bad boy takes things to a whole new level. We're talking enhanced understanding of context, improved logical reasoning, and the ability to handle more complex writing tasks. It's like having a brilliant writing partner who never sleeps. But wait, there's more. Tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor are your personal editors, helping you polish your writing until it shines. They catch those pesky grammar errors and help you streamline your sentences for maximum impact. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: AI detection. Tools like Zarat are becoming crucial in maintaining the integrity of your work. Use them to ensure your AI-assisted content still bears your unique stamp. Here's where things get really exciting: prompt engineering. This is the secret sauce that turns good technical writers into great ones. It's all about knowing how to talk to AI tools to get exactly what you need. For instance, instead of asking "write about cloud computing," try explain cloud computing concepts to a small business owner considering migrating their data storage. See the difference? And let's not forget the treasure trove of free tools out there. From Google Docs' built-in grammar suggestions to open-source alternatives for premium tools, there's a world of resources at your fingertips. The key is learning how to leverage these tools effectively. Remember, AI is here to augment your skills, not replace them. Your job is to be the conductor, orchestrating these tools to create technical content that syncs. So, there you have it, the new frontier of technical writing. It's a blend of human creativity and AI efficiency, and it's going to set you apart in the freelance world.